DGIVOVO. It's supposed to be a 5,000 psi, 3.6 gallon per minute little electric pressure washer. So I was wanting to get one of these things, and I like to watch reviews about the tools I'm getting before I purchase them. And for this one, when I was looking at electric pressure washers, I was wanting to try an electric one. They were junk years ago. They didn't even do anything better than a garden hose, but they seem to have gotten better. So I'm trying to watch reviews on some of these pressure washers I'm seeing for around $100, and the reviews I'm watching, everybody just sprays their car off, or they'll show the spray pattern or something like that. They don't really show it doing anything. So I wanted to do a quick little video here and show you what this thing will actually do. Use this little chemical spray bottle that they have that attaches to it. I used it yesterday without any chemicals, and it did really good. So I'm hoping that maybe adding some chemicals to it to begin with may make it a little shorter of a process. So all I'm putting in here, this is just Awesome Orange from the dollar store. Alright, well, I'm going to be trying this foam cannon. I haven't really used this thing yet, so let's see how it does. I'll just do some of the bottom here. Gotta turn it on. It's that easy. That's what I like about it. I would have pulled my arm out of the socket with a gas one. So let's see what this does. Okay, so from about this rail over to here, there is no pre-treatment with the Awesome Orange, and from here over it's pre-treated. So I'm letting that sit for a few more minutes, and I'm going to go ahead and do this without the chemicals and show you how it does here. Does shut off when you're not pulling the trigger. That's nice, and it's not loud. You're not listening to gas. Alright, so that's what you get with just water. And I'm going to move over to the side that I treated. We'll start with the corner that I first sprayed. See if I can get out of the sun. So you can see it really takes it up, so especially with that awesome orange on there first. I'm pretty happy with that. So, alright, let's see about this thing. So, oh, I can get a better shot like this. I don't know if you noticed me slipping just now, but we moved into this place about a year ago, and I about died on the deck the first couple times I walked out here in the rain, so this is why I was wanting to do it. So I got some better light here. Let's go ahead and do it too. So you can see it does pretty good. Yeah, if I want to wash a car, I'll just use my water hose, you know. So that's not very realistic for me as a test. But, so we're going to go ahead and try some concrete here. I haven't tried it on the concrete yet. I'm sure it'll do good. But just start in this corner. Now this is with no soap. Alright, so it does pretty good on the concrete. Let's see, here's another bad part of the deck. This one's real bad. Alright, so what I really got this thing for is we're going to be painting this house, and I've got to get rid of some paint chips. I don't really see anything that's like loose chips. Mainly need it for the windows, but I don't really want to spray the windows right now. I'll do it right here, we'll just see. it is stripping off loose paint that's on the concrete. So it should do around the windows no problem, because it looks pretty bad over there. Okay, I just wanted to give that review because I'm tired of watching review videos and just seeing people spray their car off. I feel like I can do that with a water hose. But there it is. Like I said, it's a DGIVOVO 5,000 psi, 3.2, or no, this one's 3.6 gallon per minute. And I can tell you it's nowhere near 5,000 psi because I've got this little brush attachment, and this thing takes at least 2,500 to run, and it'll spin it, but it doesn't give it any power to actually clean anything. You can see right next to it where I sprayed, and it doesn't even look like it. So anyways, that's a quick little review about this. I could tell you, if you're going to order electric pressure washer, this one was $135 on Amazon, but it looked like just about all of them were similar. So when you're looking at them, I would just go for the highest PSI and the highest gallon per minute in your budget. I wouldn't go under 3.0 gallon per minute, because I feel like if you go under 3, you're going to get a very underpowered pressure washer. So anyways, that's a little quick review. Hopefully this will help somebody out that wants to buy one of these things.